Hi everyone, Scott Harvey here, Instructional Designer at Hack. In today's video, we will be looking at how to send your students an automatic email notification for missing quizzes, Dropbox submissions, and discussion posts using intelligent agents in D2L. Rather than tracking students down for assignments that they are missing, you can instead have D2L send them automatic reminders. Let's get started. First, you will want to be signed into your D2L Brightspace course. Next, click Edit Course, which will either be found right in the nav bar of your course or you will find it under Resources. Click Intelligent Agents. Before you create a new agent, you will first want to check your settings. Go up here in the top right-hand corner and click Settings. You will want to make sure Set Custom Values for this course is selected. In this box under Name that emails come from, type in your name, and in this box under Reply to Address for responses, type in your Hack email address. This way, the automatic emails will look like they come directly from you rather than from an automated machine, and will ensure that if students do respond to this email, you will receive it. Click Save. Now you can create the actual agent. Click the blue New button. First, you will want to name this agent. What you name it is up to you. I want this agent to email students when they have not attempted a quiz that is due, so I will name this agent Missing Quiz. Next, you can add a description if you choose, though students will not see it. The description is for you to know what this agent is for. I'm going to skip adding a description for now. Make sure the box next to Agent is enabled is checked. Under Role in Class List, select Users with specific roles. Next, check the box next to Student. This way, the agent will not email you, but just email your students. Next, scroll down to Release Conditions. Click on the gray Create and Attach button. Open the drop-down menu under Condition Type, and scroll down to Quizzes. Select No Completed Quiz Attempt. This will ensure that if a student has not completed a quiz attempt, then he or she will be notified by email. Next, expand the drop-down menu under Quiz to select the specific quiz. Click Create. You can add multiple quizzes under one intelligent agent. If you'd like to add another quiz, simply repeat the last few steps. Click the gray Create and Attach button, select No Completed Quiz Attempt under Quizzes, choose the preferred quiz. Click Create. If you add more than one quiz to this agent, make sure to change the setting under To access this item, users must satisfy. Hit the drop-down menu and select Any condition must be met. This way, if a student does not complete an attempt on any of the quizzes that you attached in the release conditions, then they will be emailed. You may also create a separate intelligent agent for each quiz if you prefer. Under Repetition, select the second option, Take action every time the agent is evaluated and the agent's criteria are satisfied for a user. This will send students an email every time the agent checks to see if any of the selected quizzes are missing an attempt. Check the box next to Send an email when the criteria are satisfied. In the To field, you will type in a left curly bracket. This button is found to the right of the P button on your keyboard. Hold Shift and hit this button. Type in Initiating User with no space in between. Close with the right curly bracket. You can also find this by clicking this blue What Special Email Addresses Can I Use link under the BCC field, copying Initiating User in curly brackets, and pasting it into the To field. You can either CC or BCC yourself if you choose. However, just know that if you do, you will receive a separate email for each student that receives this one. Next, you'll need to type in a subject. First, click on this link that says What Replace Strings Can I Use in the subject and message. From this list, copy org unit name, being sure to include the curly brackets. Paste this into the subject line. Next, I'm going to type Missing Quiz Attempt into the subject line before the org unit name. This way, students that receive this email will know what it is about. If your intelligent agent has only one quiz in the release conditions, then you can include the specific quiz title. However, if you have multiple quizzes in the release conditions, leaving it like this is fine. In this text box is where you will write the message that will be sent to the students. First, I'm going to again click on the What Replace Strings Can I Use in the subject and message. And from this list, I'm going to copy initiating user first name, being sure again to include the curly brackets. I'm going to paste this into my email's body and add a comma after it. Now the email will be personalized to the specific student. I'm going to finish typing out the body of the message, again using the org unit name, replace string. I want the message to let the students know that they have a missing quiz attempt while asking them to log in and complete this as soon as they can. If you choose to attach a file to this email, you can do so down here. I'm not going to attach anything, as this email is just meant to remind students that they have a quiz they need to complete. Under Scheduling, you will want to check the box next to Use Schedule. Next, click on the gray Update Schedule button. Here, decide how often you would like the intelligent agent to scan the criteria and send out the emails. This is your choice. For now, I'm going to choose Daily, and in the Repeats Every box, I'm going to type in 1. This way, the intelligent agent will check for missing attempts on the specific quizzes in the release conditions once a day. Under Schedule Dates, set dates for when you would like this intelligent agent to begin and end. Make sure the quizzes in your release conditions fit within this time frame. For this example, I'm going to have the agent begin today and end at the end of the semester. Click Update. Click Save and Close. On this page, you will find all of your agents listed. Next, I will create a new intelligent agent for missing Dropbox submissions. I will follow the same steps as before. For agent name, I will type Missing Dropbox Submission. Check Agent is enabled. Under Role in Class List, check Users with Specific Roles. Check Student. Click the gray Create and Attach button under Release Conditions. For condition type, find the Dropbox category and select No Submission to Dropbox. Just like with the agent we made for missing quizzes, we are next going to select which Dropbox folder this agent will be checking. Click Create. Just like last time, you may create and attach multiple release conditions for different Dropbox assignments, or you can make a separate agent for each Dropbox. Again, just be sure that if you have multiple Dropbox folders in the release conditions, that the setting under To access this item users must satisfy is set to Any condition must be met. Like last time, I'm going to check Take action every time the agent is evaluated, and the agent's criteria are satisfied for a user. I will check the box next to Send an email when the criteria are satisfied. And again, same steps as the missing quiz agent I made previously. In the To field, I will put Initiating User in curly brackets. For subject, I will type Missing Dropbox Submission in org unit name. I will type out a message to the students letting them know that they are currently missing a Dropbox assignment. So hopefully, when they receive this notification email, they will log into D2L and submit their assignment. And finally, setting a schedule for this agent. Check Use Schedule and click Update Schedule. This time, I'm going to set it to repeat weekly and repeat every week. I will have it repeat every Friday. It'll start today and run through until the end of the semester. I'll click Update. Then click Save and Close. Here's my second agent. And finally, I'm going to make one more, this time for missing discussion posts. Same steps as the last two, except this time, for the release condition, I'm going to scroll down to Discussions and select No Posts Authored in Topic. I'll choose which discussion and then whether I want the agent to email students that have not posted just a thread, or no thread or replies to other students. I'm just going to worry about the thread for right now. I will click Create. And again, I will complete the creation of this agent by following the same steps as the previous two that I made. And here are my 3 agents. That's how to notify students of missing quiz attempts, Dropbox submissions, and discussion posts. This way, you can easily give your students gentle reminders of missing D2L assignments without the hassle of searching for them and sending individual messages. If you need assistance with intelligent agents or anything else related to D2L, Zoom, or remote instruction in general, please reach out to anyone on the CDI team. Thank you.